Imagine a world where your smartphone isn't just a device for texting and streaming, but also a powerful tool to mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not. With the launch of Bay Miner's high-performance mobile app in London, this futuristic vision is now a reality. The blockchain industry has taken a giant leap forward by transforming smartphones into global cloud mining hubs. No technical expertise required. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this too good to be true, or is it the next big revolution in cryptocurrency accessibility? Let's break it down. Bay Miner's new app allows anyone with a smartphone to participate in cloud mining without the need to purchase expensive mining rigs or possess advanced technical knowledge. This opens the door to what experts are calling a low-threshold shared digital economy, where even beginners can generate passive income from cryptocurrencies. Imagine being able to mine Bitcoin while waiting for your coffee order. Sounds appealing, right? But is this convenience compromising security or sustainability? Let's explore further. At the heart of Bay Miner's innovation is AI-driven cloud computing optimization paired with a network of green data centers. These technologies ensure that the mining process is both efficient and eco-friendly, addressing one of the biggest criticisms of traditional cryptocurrency mining, its massive energy consumption. The app doesn't just stop at performance. It prioritizes security and compliance too. Built-in enterprise-grade protection from McAfee and Cloudflare ensures that users' digital assets are safeguarded against threats. Additionally, the platform adheres to the EU's Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation, MiCA, setting a benchmark for regulatory compliance in the industry. Industry analysts believe this dual focus on security and compliance could redefine how individuals engage with digital asset management. But this is the part most people miss. Beyond its cutting-edge technology, Bay Miner offers a suite of robust measures to protect user privacy and asset security. For instance, the app employs bank-grade encryption to secure accounts, wallets, and transaction records during transmission. All mining profits and contracts are managed through tamper-proof blockchain smart contracts, ensuring transparency and preventing any unauthorized manipulation. Furthermore, the platform has obtained compliance certifications across multiple regions, reducing risks associated with policy changes. User privacy is also a top priority, with strict policies in place to prevent third-party access to personal information and transaction data. Now, let's talk about usability. One of the standout features of Bay Miner is how beginner-friendly it is. Here's how you can get started. 1. Download and register. Available for both Android and iOS, the app is easy to download and set up. Simply register using your email address. And as a bonus, new users receive $15 in mining credits along with daily login rewards. 2. Choose your cryptocurrency. Select the digital currency you'd like to mine, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or others, and pick a contract plan that fits your budget. There's no need for hardware investments or technical know-how. 3. Start mining effortlessly. With a single tap on the Start Mining button, the app connects you to Bay Miner's global data centers. No setup or configuration is required. The mining begins instantly. 4. Track earnings and withdraw. Your earnings are calculated daily and displayed on an intuitive dashboard. You can monitor your progress in real time and withdraw funds directly to your wallet whenever you choose. This seamless integration of automation and user experience makes Bay Miner a game changer for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Unlike traditional mining rigs, which demand significant upfront costs and ongoing maintenance, cloud mining eliminates these barriers entirely. By leasing computational power online, users can mine cryptocurrencies at a fraction of the cost, leaving the operational complexities to the experts. It's hassle-free, flexible, and accessible, a trifecta that's making waves among crypto investors worldwide. However, some skeptics argue that relying on centralized platforms for decentralized activities might introduce new risks. What happens if the platform faces downtime or regulatory challenges? Could this model inadvertently centralize power within a few dominant players? These questions warrant thoughtful discussion and exploration. In conclusion, Bay Miner represents more than just a technological advancement. It's a gateway to financial empowerment in the digital age. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a complete novice, this platform lowers the barriers to entry and democratizes access to the digital economy. Ready to take the plunge? Download the app today, start mining with zero investment, and invite friends to earn referral bonuses. Who knows? You might just discover a new source of passive income. So what do you think? Is Bay Miner the future of cryptocurrency mining, or does it raise concerns about decentralization? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Official website. Insert URL. Email us. info@bayminer.com. Download the app. Insert App Store links. Start today. Mine smarter. Go mobile with Bay Miner.